Mechanicer, pretty much I'm ready to show you how to change the knock sensor on the 2000 Impala 3800. Alright, first thing you want to do is always jack the car. I've already got it jacked up. Next step is always put your emergency brake on. You always put blocks and chucks or something in order to support the car for reinforcement. In my case, I'm not going to do that, but pretty much I'm going to go show you and locate where the knock sensor is on this car. Alright. It's right there. Now pretty much all it is a harness hooked up to there. Pretty much it's two little indicators on the side. I'm gonna press them in and just pull it out. The indicator come out. Then I believe it's a 22 millimeter. Go ahead and put that on there. Lefty, righty, righty, tighten. And then that's how you place the knock sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. That's how you take the harness out. .22 millimeter socket, grab an extension. All right. Be a big extension. I don't know if the camera got that or not, but I can't find a little more. Oh, there you go. Yeah, lost the little camera. All right, here's the old knock sensor. Your last. Alright. Yeah, so pretty much all the tools you'll be needing is just the jack, 22 millimeter. I used the impact in order to get off. It was easy just for me. And pretty much the next step is go ahead and apply it back in. Okay. Much it's empty. I pretty much grabbed the harness. Actually, I don't know where that harness go to. It's the wrong one, but this one right here. Then you plug it back in. And that's how you change your knock sensor. 2002 Impala 3800.